What is that? There's something inside.
And our goal is not enough.
So this is a package straight from Fresno, California. It is, let's unbox this just to be. Ooh. Alright. These are freaking SDD upgrades, 2 TB for our PlayStation 5.
Alright, so for today's video, we will be unboxing the WD Black NVMe SSD game drive with heatsink. Now that is a mouthful. So, and we will be installing this to our PlayStation 5, which is why it is on display here on the side. But first, let's do the unboxing, and later on we'll be zooming in into the PlayStation 5 on how to install it and how to basically remove the plate or the face plate for the PlayStation 5. So while I'm opening this, have you ever decided to upgrade your PlayStation 5 storage? All you have to do is get an SSD or an NVMe M.2 slot that has a heatsink. Importante yung may heatsink, because if the SSD you buy has no heatsink, you'll have to get one, because that's gonna overheat your system if you don't get one that's already attached, similar to this one. So it's quite small. As you can see in the package, that wait, what is that? There's something inside. Oh, it's the manual. I thought there was something else. So it's the manual, which nobody ever reads. Install this, so it's gonna be quick, but I'm gonna show you how to basically pull this out. So we're just gonna switch the camera. Now I'm gonna show you how to disassemble the, what do you call this, the plates of PlayStation 5, and to show you where the slot is. So basically it's going to be a pull up on the corner here. Sorry, not this one, and then you just slide it down. It's just easy as that. Now after removing the face cover, we need to remove this plate. We get a screwdriver. This is basically where the slot would be, if I can get this thing open. Okay. Now what's important to notice is that there is a screw here. Not sure if we can show on the camera right now, but there's a screw here. Need to remove that, because this is the one, or the screw, that we will use to lock the SSD into place. So remove that. All PlayStation 5 units should have this. And once you remove that, also include this little standoff, right? That's important. Then measure where your SSD would fall. Mine would fall into the 80. So we will be moving the standoff here into the 80 slot, and then ensure that you shoot it. Put this PCI port, or in the M.2 slot, push it diagonally, ensure that it clicks, and then once it clicks, it's gonna be like diagonally placed, and you have to push down a little bit for that to lock it into place, and then go ahead and screw it locked in. That's basically how easy it is to update. Oh no! To install an M.2, ensure that it's locked in as such. There we go. Ensure that's not moving. Once you're done with that, put back the cover for the plate to keep that secured, and dust doesn't come into that space, which we don't want. Screw that in. That's basically it. That's how fast you install an external SSD storage card. Now to place this back up, it's gonna be just ensure that it fits, and then just. Alright, now that you have successfully installed your SSD card to the unit, You will now need to format your SSD to the PlayStation format, and this will prompt as you turn on your PlayStation. It's just gonna do this pretty fast. Read speed and confirm. Now it's been reformatted. It's gonna boot up, and to double check if it is actually readable, right? You just need to go to settings and then storage. And there you have it, folks. There's a new slot that says 2 terabyte of space. You have successfully installed your extra M.2 SSD.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Don't forget to hit that notification bell as well to be notified whenever I post a new video. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, do leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you guys, and as always, I make an effort to respond from every comment. Also, be sure to follow me on Facebook, Twitch for my stream gameplay, and more updates and behind the scenes content. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.